So Stashies, the forces of the world is just not letting me make a video, but I'm gonna force this one through. It's hot and I'm trying. So today I'm trying to get them all together, but the thing is, the way the world works, people have duties. So what I'm trying to do is link up everybody, but I kid you not, this is so hard to link up everyone. So far, the people we have is me and Fish. We're on the way to go meet up at the location that I set, and let's see who comes through. Whoever comes through, you guys will meet him. If not, I hope this video is cool.
Almost there.
You got it, boss. I'll see you, man.
Alright, bad bro. See you soon.
Alright, bye. That is boss, and a boss is on his way. He has the 834 Touring, but today I think he's gonna be driving his daily driver, which is, I don't know the chassis code because it's a brand new car. Here goes a little creep for you guys right now. 3, 2, 1. I thought that was a cop. I seen a white car. A boss is coming, so that's 3 people. I'll introduce everybody in a little bit. Now we have to pump gas because your boy forever runs on E. A boss! There he goes. What's up, man? We're following. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna drift it because my boss is right behind us. Here we go. You know how you do something, you like instantly regret it? So like I was saying, you know how you do something you instantly regret? I like instantly regret that because A, it wasn't that cool looking from the back. The open diff straightened me out. And now I'm just filled and getting high with the vape juice of the tire smoke. But oh well, you know, it is what it is. We act like we own the streets, but that's the beauty of it. You know, you have some old BMWs, you act like you run the freaking streets until the new BMW see you. Oh, okay. And we are at the location where we're supposed to be. We made it. So altogether, 4 people I'm about to introduce right now. Meet the squad, meet the gang, meet the whole shenanigan. Give me a small little rev. Whoa! I'm literally that guy. Check it out. I always wanted to be that guy. It's not a suit, but it is something. This is what we're actually getting now. Alright, here we go. But I don't want to waste gas in the V8. Hey, we got another homie coming through. Yo! It's so hard to do with one hand. This is dangerous. Don't do this. This is how the meet's going so far. Shout out to the Toyota that came through. Mike just came through in his secondary car. All right, David, here we go. You're gonna have to do it like a high five and do like a quick pose. Oh. Yeah. Mike, you too?
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Oh, come on.
No.
Well, this is Mike. Mike is not gonna do it.
I'll do it a little bit.
Yeah, there you go.
Dude, we got banned from Cars and Coffee apparently.
Really? Alright, so we're gonna reintroduce everybody. Not reintroduce, but let me just full on introduce everybody. Alright, you guys may know this guy. Yo.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Ish, aka Billy Badass, and I drive a 99 Civic, has a 4can, and I like to do burnouts in it.
Thanks, man. Thanks for
Center box.
My latest video I uploaded, Alex asked for a sticker and I was so happy that he asked and I was trying to get one, but
Oh, that happens to me all the time, bro. You know what you have to do?
I gotta rebuild it, right?
Yeah, that's what I do. I rebuild that shit.
Look at
You have to
this.
Hold the piece.
Yeah.
Oh no, I have my piece already out. My piece
So-
all.
so
I
this
don't
is-
even have that.
This is not rebuildable, what you're telling me.
No, let me peep. Let me peep. You have to get a new one of these, bro. Because what happened is the two clips.
Yeah.
Okay, the other one fell. You have to find the other one and you can hold it and then just shut it.
Son of a gun.
It should be on the floor, bro. Peep on the floor.
Yeah, it's probably on the floor.
Yeah.
I
Yup.
saw everything. I saw
Suspect
stuff fly
found.
this way.
Isn't that funny though?
Suspect found.
I literally said that in my latest video that these are prone to break. And right when I open it, boom.
I don't know, bro. I start modding my wax
So
again.
broken.
No.
Well, it's in.
Oh,
it's
yeah,
in.
yeah. So anytime you need to open it, you just have to touch the little latch and it'll
Yeah.
come out, and then you have to just redo it. But,
So janky now.
yeah, porch.
But on a side note,
Here's your sticker, bro.
stash cam. Go to the sticker collection.
I don't know how much. Oh shit. It ain't
Hey. Send it. Stickers? You can rock
All over
one?
the bike.
What? Where?
Yeah, all new frames. Hey, let me know when you need that detail though. Your boy comes in smooth.
Thanks for advertising for you, boy.
Oh yeah.
You know, I heard the E60 spends half of its life with the hood open. I'm just kidding.
Just making the stereotype. Confirming it.
Nice. The YouTube play button's sick.
There you go.
It's an honor to be next to that. I'm literally next to it. What's up, Mike? You're missing everything, man.
Peep, get this. Yup.
Oh, we got some more advertisement going on. Thanks for rapping, man.
Hell yeah, dude.
Squad. So this is the
the best right here.
right? Hey, remember that whole?
This stash cam, bro.
Yeah.
Cam territory, bro.
So the squad is here. This is what's going on.
Now just play. Shout out to this visual.
And this is why everybody was going crazy.
Bro, his door feels a lot heavier than mine. Huh. Maybe I'm just.
Dang, son, look at the M5 shifts around though.
That shit's
Wow.
smooth.
Like I'm gonna prank him.
The mobile device.
Hey, I'm gonna prank him by leaving it in gear. So when
Yeah.
he starts it, it'll back up on him.
You don't think he'll check it?
No. I don't know about you, but like all the Beamers, like I don't check mine. Ishmael
Oh,
don't
no,
check
I check
his.
mine.
You do?
I always.
So far, so good. I hope you guys met the gang. And I don't know. Comment whose car you like. Comment all that famous YouTube stuff in the comments below. Just talk to me. And oh, dude, I gotta announce that we're going to bimmerfest. Yeah, bimmerfest. So if you guys do see me at bimmerfest, I would like, you know, say what's up. For I can know that these videos actually touch people on the internet. Because as of right now, I don't know if they even anybody watches them.
Hey, yeah, come on. We out here today. Me and my homie Lewis got the gang. About to go have a barbecue in a little bit.
They don't know my name.
Oh, fuck.
You just gave it. I was
Scratch
kidding.
that.
Yeah, but this is gonna be the gang at the Bimmerfest, right? This is gonna be.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a little tarp.
Yeah.
Right? You're
Little
going,
easy,
right?
yeah?
We're going on the same day this time.
Yeah. On the same day. Are we going the first day?
Ishmael
or the
made a
second
video
day?
on Saturday, and I made a video on
First day,
Sunday.
Yeah. First day is always
Saturday.
fun.
Let's go on Saturday.
Saturday. We were admiring my engine bay. Last time you ate was it breakfast? Wow. Alex running on E. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry. I'm
Let's-
down for a taco stand though.
Taco stand? You
Yeah, with
love taco stands.
With the whole taco, bro. I found this one spot.
Cheap taco stand.
Taco stand? Taco stand?
Hell yeah.
We're on.
Taco stand? Taco stand? On our way to Taco Nazo. And I am in the E60 M5.
It's the quietest M5 in SoCal.
You can hear it breathing. Like the intakes. This is cool. Okay. You guys are gonna tell Alex to let us review the car.
Yeah.
And hopefully we get a chance.
It's gonna be a fun review for you at least.
I know, man. I can't.
We're gonna car swap. I'm gonna take your E34 for the day.
That's a good idea. I can't believe you're shifting your own gears.
Yeah.
It's like every new M5, every new M car is just paddle shifts.
Yep. And this car is special because it used to do that 6 months ago. So we got that going for us.
Hey, tell us about that more.
And then you got the M mode. It's
What's
a
M?
full send mode.
That's M mode?
Yeah, full send is what I like to call it. You wanna go full send real quick?
Good. Oh shit. Oh shit. You can't keep traction, huh?
No.
Wow.
No.
You can't keep traction. You weren't even like, was that full throttle?
No, it was like 3/4. And I had to come off.
Yeah, the car. Damn.
For me, I think the E34 reliability will always be the standard.
Yep.
How far you can get mileage. If you're like oh my god.
I sent one text, I looked down and whoa. Fuck.